Have you ever wondered about the transformation journey of a tiny tadpole into a fully grown frog? Welcome to the fascinating world of tadpoles, where every day holds the promise of change and growth. Tadpoles, or as some might call them, baby frogs, lead lives full of mystery and transformation, hidden beneath the surface of ponds, lakes, and rivers. The life of a tadpole begins in a delicate, jelly-like egg, often laid in clusters of hundreds. Once hatched, these tiny creatures, no bigger than the tip of your finger, begin their life in water. They possess gills, a tail, and a mouth perfectly designed for their aquatic lifestyle, allowing them to breathe and swim with ease. As the days turn into weeks, a tadpole's life becomes a race against time. Each day, they must find enough food to fuel their rapid growth while avoiding predators lurking in the depths. Their diet consists mainly of algae and plant material, though some species are known to be carnivorous, eating anything they can fit in their tiny mouths. But the most remarkable part of a tadpole's life is the transformation they undergo, a process known as metamorphosis. During this phase, their body undergoes significant changes. Their gills disappear, replaced by lungs that allow them to breathe air. Their tails shrink while forelegs sprout, preparing them for life on land. This transition is nothing short of miraculous, a testament to the wonder of nature. Tadpoles might seem like simple creatures, but there is more to them than meets the eye. They are the living embodiment of change and adaptation, a symbol of life's constant evolution. From a tiny, writhing creature in the water to a fully grown frog ready to hop onto land, the life cycle of a tadpole is a fascinating journey of transformation. Tadpoles might seem simple, but their life cycle is an incredible journey of transformation. Ever thought about what these tiny creatures feast on to fuel their transformation? Well, you might be surprised. When tadpoles first hatch from their eggs, they are not yet equipped to hunt for food. Instead, they rely on the yolk sac they were born with for nourishment. This provides them with enough sustenance for the first few days of their lives. Once this initial food source is depleted, tadpoles begin their journey as omnivores. They start by grazing on algae and plant matter, making them invaluable in keeping bodies of water clean by controlling the growth of these organisms. As tadpoles grow, their diet broadens. They start to develop teeth and a more complex digestive system, allowing them to take on a varied menu. This includes dead insects, small crustaceans, and even other tadpoles. Yes, you heard it right. Tadpoles can be cannibalistic under certain conditions. This is usually when food is scarce and survival instincts kick in. But don't let this revelation change your perception of these fascinating creatures. This behavior is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. It's a survival tactic, a reflection of the sometimes harsh reality of the natural world. So, the seemingly harmless tadpole might not be as vegetarian as you thought. Being small and vulnerable, how do tadpoles ensure their survival in the wild? Well, you'd be surprised at just how resourceful these tiny creatures can be. Imagine being a tadpole, a mere morsel in a world teeming with hungry predators. It's not easy, but tadpoles have some pretty clever tricks up their sleeves. One of their primary defenses is speed. With a flick of their tails, tadpoles can dart away in an instant, evading the grasp of would-be predators. This quick darting movement can often confuse predators, giving the tadpole a chance to escape. But speed isn't their only defense. Tadpoles also employ a strategy known as schooling. Much like fish, tadpoles often group together, creating a mass that can be intimidating to predators. This collective behavior not only provides safety in numbers, but also creates confusion, making it difficult for a predator to single out one tadpole. Another important survival strategy is their ability to hide. Tadpoles are experts at camouflaging themselves among plant debris and the murky bottom of ponds. This natural disguise helps them blend into their surroundings, making them less noticeable to predators. Finally, tadpoles have a fascinating ability to adjust their growth speed based on environmental conditions. If there are a lot of predators around, they can grow faster to reduce their vulnerability. Tadpoles are not just survivors, but they are adaptable and quick learners too. They are a testament to nature's ingenuity and resilience, showing us that even the smallest creatures can have the biggest survival instincts. Did you know that tadpoles play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem? Yes, you heard it right. These tiny creatures are not just fascinating to observe, but they also perform some vital functions that help keep our water bodies healthy and thriving. Let's start with algae control. Surprised? Tadpoles are herbivores during their earliest stages of life, and their primary food source is algae. By feeding on these microscopic plants, tadpoles help keep algae populations in check. This is crucial because an overgrowth of algae can lead to a phenomenon called eutrophication, where excessive nutrients in the water cause a dense growth of plant life, which can eventually deplete the water's oxygen supply and lead to the death of other organisms. But that's not all. Tadpoles also serve as a valuable food source for a variety of other creatures. Birds, fish, even other amphibians, they all feast on tadpoles. By providing a reliable and nutritious meal for these predators, tadpoles are integral to the food chain, ensuring that energy and nutrients are transferred from one level to the next. Moreover, as tadpoles go about their daily life, eating, excreting, growing, they contribute significantly to nutrient cycling within their aquatic environments. They help recycle nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus, which are essential for plant growth. This nutrient cycling is an important part of any ecosystem, ensuring that vital elements are not lost, but are instead reused and recycled, promoting a healthy and balanced environment. So there you have it. Tadpoles, despite their small size and seeming insignificance, play an enormous role in their ecosystems. They help control algae, provide food for other creatures, and aid in nutrient cycling, all of which are crucial for maintaining the balance and health of our water bodies. So, tadpoles are not just fascinating creatures, but they are also unsung heroes of our ecosystem. Every time you spot a tadpole, remember the vital role that these tiny creatures play in our world.